Pakistan's Punjab government on Thursday announced that the trial of those involved in attacks on military and state buildings will be held in jail on a daily basis and ruled out any leniency for the culprits involved in the heinous crime. The federal cabinet last month approved that those involved in the attacks on military installations on May 9, the Black Day, following the arrest of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, will be tried under the Stringent Army Act. The trial of the arrested suspects of May 9 violence will be held in jail on a daily basis under the Anti-Terrorism Act, Punjab Caretaker Chief Minister Mohsin Naqvi said. The relevant departments have been informed about the trial proceedings in jail, he said. We want to expedite the legal action against the culprits involved in the May 9 attacks, he said, directing the police and prosecution departments to present strong evidence against the accused. He emphasized that no leniency should be shown to any culprit involved in this heinous crime and ordered to intensify efforts to apprehend the absconding suspects. The Punjab government claimed it had arrested over 3,000 Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party leaders and workers in the aftermath of the May 9 riots. Of them, it said, 1,400 suspects have been released so far because of lack of evidence. Pakistan saw unrest early last month in the wake of the arrest of PTI chief Khan in a corruption case. Over 20 military installations and government buildings including military headquarters in Rawalpindi were damaged or torched during the violent protests of PTI workers. According to the PTI, law enforcement agencies arrested over 10,000 workers across Pakistan, most of them from Punjab. In the military-backed crackdown on the PTI, over 100 main party leaders and former lawmakers have defected and joined the King's Party, Istekam Pakistan Party, IPP, led by another deserter of PTI Jahangir Khan Tareen. Khan declared he would continue fighting for his cause even though all leaders of his party quit. Police raids on the PTI leaders and workers still continue. Law of the jungle prevails in Pakistan where might is right. The shameful way houses are broken open, raided, robbed and vandalized, has no precedence in ours or any civilized society, the PTI chairman tweeted. The worst aspect is the way the poor servants are beaten up and jailed, who work to feed their families. My sister's cook was so badly treated in jail that he is on a ventilator and fighting for his life, the cricketer turned politician said in the tweet. Meanwhile, Federal Law Minister Azam Nazir said that to date, no case against any woman involved in the May 9 violence has been sent to the military courts. To date, 74 cases have been sent to the military courts but no case against any woman referred to such courts, the minister said. Amnesty International has expressed concern over the trial of civilians in military courts. Trying civilians in military courts is contrary to international human rights law and violating the right to a fair trial guaranteed under Article 14 of the ICCPR, which guarantees the right to a trial before competent, independent and impartial courts established by the law, it said. It added that under its general comment on Article 14 of the ICCPR, the UN Human Rights Committee has affirmed that fundamental principles of fair trial are non-derogate. Pakistan ratified the ICCPR in 2010 and is bound by these international obligations. Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan has said the stage has been set for his court-martial after the country's all-powerful army vowed to try the masterminds and planners of May 9 violence in military courts. His remarks came a day after Interior Minister Rana Sanaullah accused Khan of planning the countrywide violence that erupted after his arrest in a corruption case on May 9. Talking to reporters after appearing before the Islamabad High Court, IHC, on Thursday in connection with 10 different cases, including 2 ongoing petitions and 8 new bail petitions, the 70-year-old Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, PTI, chief said he knew he would be tried by a military court. He termed a civilian's trial in the military court as the end of democracy and the end of justice in Pakistan. The trial in the military court will be illegal, he was quoted as saying by the Dawn newspaper. They knew that over 150 cases registered against me are baseless and there is no chance of my conviction in these bogus cases, therefore, they have decided to conduct my trial in the military court, Khan said. Pakistan's powerful army on Wednesday vowed to tighten the noose of law around planners and masterminds who mounted a hate-ripened and politically driven rebellion against the state.